Hello friends, welcome to class 7, lesson number 9, Administration of the State. We have learned the administration of our country at three levels, which is local, state and central. We also got any idea about the local self-government, Nagarpalika, Mahanagarpalika, Gram Panchayat, because we shall learn about the administration function in lesson our few topics of democracy. Democracy means one of the best definition is government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Then in government we have functions at the state level, ministers, members of legislative assembly, MLA means Dhara Sabhya, member of parliament at national level, Sansad Sabhya. They put forward our questions and ideas to the government, and government is taking modification of the rules and solve our problem. Then one cartoon points it is given that in Surat, cholera epidemic is spread out. So government is taking adequate measures to control the epidemic. Epidemic means the disease spreading out very fast. Now we can say that COVID is an epidemic. Some disaster management actions will be taken for this. Then think the basis of the picture, we can say that the problem of cholera was so serious in Surat on that time because of dirtiness. What steps government has taken? Government has taken adequate strict measures for the government health hospital and cleanliness. In such a situation, we should be taking care of this. We also observed that leaders of our area presenting health issue to the local health officials, district collector, MLA, and they are try to solve our problems. The legislative assembly members are known as a MLA. MLA means Dhara Sabhya. We have our MLA from Mawa constituency. It is directly elected by the people. After being elected from their constituency means selected area by the government, the MLA and other members form the government, and each one is a representative for us. All of the state of India have a legislative assembly. Each state is divided into three constituency. Keep it in mind, three constituency. From each constituency, one representative is elected by the people, and they are gathering from the differ and forming a legislative assembly based on population. Election will be held after every 5 years, and candidate is representing from the different parties or as an independent candidate. Apaksh Umedwar also can be there. The Assembly of Gujarat has a 182 seats. Later on, according to the time to time revision in 2020, some seats were revised. Gandhinagar is the capital city for us. Legislative Assembly Bhavan is called as a Vittalbhai Patel Vidhan Sabha Group in Gandhinagar, where all are gathering and sitting. They have office of that. Let us learn about the Minister of the Chief selected from among MLA, and party which have a largest number of MLA gains majority, or sometime they take the support of other candidates from the government. Out of the government, any one candidate will be the head of it. Governor appoints the leader of the majority party as a CM, Chief Minister, and he or she is invited to form the Council of Ministers, Cabinet Ministry. The party that forms the government is known as a ruling party, while other party forms the opposition party. These words are very important: majority party, ruling party, Opposition party constituency means one area that I already explained you. After the government, majority one will be sitting and looking the administration. More points we shall discuss in our next video. I request all of you to continue reading and writing in the notebook. Very soon we shall have a revision part from the INEX question bank. Thank you.